Today we will talk about how to create images using ChatGPT. With the help of GPT, we will create a whole new image just using a prompt. So the first thing is, open the browser and head to ChatGPT. On the top, you will see the official website of ChatGPT. Click on it and get access to it. The first thing it will ask is to sign into your account in ChatGPT, whether you use a Google account or any other that is allowed by ChatGPT. I already signed into my account. Here you can see my account, and I am on the free plan of GPT, but I don't have any subscription, and now I will show you how you can create images in a free plan. Basically, there are two ways by which you can create images in ChatGPT. Writing prompt in the ChatGPT, and here you can see that icon, Call Sora. It's officially ChatGPT's app. You can also create your images here, but I will use ChatGPT. So here, simply write your prompt and briefly explain about your prompt. So it will help ChatGPT to understand what kind of image you want to generate. So let me write, for example, just for showing you. I write this kind of prompt, and I will hit on this arrow. Now here, according to my request, it start processing, and it will take some time because on free plan, it will be hard for ChatGPT to create images. So wait until the processing is completed, and the wait time is over. And here is my image which I requested, which is from ChatGPT. And you can see the image is same as my prompt. An 18-year-old girl with brown hair standing in front of a beach. And you can see the beach view. So basically, generating images with the help of ChatGPT depends on your prompt. The better your prompt, the better will be the result. And if you want to download, then click on this icon download. And if you want to generate again, then here. Simply write regenerate that image. And ChatGPT will start processing again on your images. And that's it.